In November, Redmi unveiled the Redmi K80 and K80 Pro smartphones in China. The brand is expected to expand the K80 lineup by adding the K80 Ultra before introducing the Redmi K90 series by the end of 2025. Tipster Digital Chat Station revealed the chipset that will power the K80 Ultra. Redmi K80 Ultra will also feature the Dimensity 9400 Plus. Ship with Android 15 base HyperOS 2.0. Redmi K80 Ultra likely sport a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution LTPS panel with a flat display. Features a 50MP OmniVision OV50 primary camera, 32MP ultrawide camera, and 50MP ISOCELL JN5 telephoto lens with 2.6x optical zoom. 20MP front camera. Redmi K80 Ultra pack a 6000 mAh battery, 120W wired, and 50W wireless charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.